How to add captions and subtitles to Vimeo videos. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add captions and subtitles to Vimeo videos. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your Vimeo account, just like I've done here. And then once you've done that, move to the left side of the screen where you would see a sidebar and then click on library. By clicking on library, you will brought to your libraries page where you see all of the videos. Let's go ahead and click on the video that you'd like to add captions as well as a subtitle to. So after selecting the video and you're brought to the editing page, move to the left side of the screen again, alright, where you can see some icons such as player, subtitles and audio, interactive, edit. So click on subtitles and audio, and so another box will be displayed where you see subtitles, then you see audio tracks. So once you can see that, click on subtitles and then you have to wait for a while. Then you can go ahead and edit the subtitle. How do you want the subtitles and caption to be? And so after editing it, you are then good to go. All right, you can also decide if you have subtitles already, you can click on the plus icon in order for you to upload the subtitle file. If you have it already on your PC, just click on choose file, then select the language in which the subtitle is, select the type of file it is, select it if it's just captions or if it's for captions and subtitles. And then once you've done that, click on upload, and then once the file is uploaded, your captions as well as your subtitles would be added to your video, just like that. Okay, so ensure you try it out. Thank you for watching and have a nice time adding your captions and subtitles to your video. Have a good day.